Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sean again. Today we're doing just a quick review of the Bluetti EB70S plus the PV200, which is the 200 watt suitcase solar panel kit. This has the advertised rating of 716 watt hours and about 800 watts of rated power. The first test I did was sitting on my south-facing screened-in porch with a little bit of shade from the porch beams, as you can see in the photo. It only put out about 20 watts, which was pretty sad. Keep in mind this is January, so late winter with low sun, located about 39 degrees latitude in southern Indiana. After that, I took it outside on the same day at the same time frame and set it in the sun with a little bit better angle, more perpendicular and with no shading. At that point it was putting out just under 200 watts of the rated power, right at 175 watts. With that running in full sun, it took about 4 hours to go from 20% to 100% full charge. At full charge, this has enough power to run my CPAP machine well over 8 hours, also while keeping my cell phone charged with the noisemaker running. I usually use my truck onboard inverter when overlanding to run the CPAP and other miscellaneous items, but when I can't park my truck close enough to the campsite, I've used the Bluetti a few times now and been very satisfied with its overall performance. So that wraps up this quick review. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.